Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to rename Google Sheet on mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Google Sheet and I have some percentage information in my Google Sheet. So this is my percentage information. So there are how many workbook, this workbook has how many sheets will be there, it will be displayed in the downside on my mobile phone. So I can add more sheet over here. I just click a plus button to add more sheet. So how to rename this sheet name? So these are the sheets. I just want to rename the sheets. What I have to do here, just click the sheet name and long press on the sheet name. Automatically it will show you to duplicate, delete, rename, hide and tab colors. So I just click here for the rename and I just want to give a students percentage, like anything else I just want to give, and I can able to make this one. So I just type students percentage in this sheet, so automatically the name will be changed over here, that this one. So students information or students database, I just long press on that or just click that on that sheet, automatically it will move into a rename option. I just give a student details or anything else I can give, automatically it will change the name. So I just want to change the color of this tabs, just click and you will see this arrow mark in the mobile. Just click the arrow mark, automatically it will show you, and you can select the tab color and you can choose a tab color model so that it will be highlighting to your Google Sheet format as you see here. So this is a tab color which I'm selected, so it will be selected and it will show the pink tab color. So you can choose according to the color tab colors and you can have access for the rename options. So simple and easiest tip, we can able to select, and you can able to select this one and give the rename, and what are the renames you want you can add and click OK, means it will change. So from your mobile itself you can use a Google Sheet with the rename option. Use this and create your Google Sheet using your mobile phone itself. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel.